Well, next tonight, new hope for people with fractures that won't heal. A Midlands hospital has become the first in the world to trial the use of stem cells to mend the bone. Without the treatment, patients could have the limb amputated.
In the UK, every year, 4% of us break a bone and 40% of us will suffer a fracture sometime in our life.
But in 5 to 10% of these cases, the healing will be delayed, or the bones won't mend at all. Well, our health correspondent Sandy Barton has been to the Robert Jones and Agnes Hunt Hospital in Oswestry, where pioneering stem cell work is transforming lives.
Walking upstairs is something many of us take for granted, but not Lorraine Holland. For 18 months she couldn't walk, drive or work after breaking her leg sledging because the bones just wouldn't heal.
I became very anxious and was wondering whether my leg was ever going to heal or whether I would be left on crutches for the rest of my life.
The breakthrough came with a pioneering trial at the Robert Jones and Agnes Hunt Hospital in Shropshire, where surgeons are using patients' own stem cells as a catalyst to heal broken bone.
These are cells taken from an adult, used for that same patient. We're not doing any embryonic stem cell work here, and that's, I think, probably where the controversy lies.
The two-part operation involves a dessert spoon of bone marrow being taken from the patient's hip. In a sterilised lab, cells are stimulated to subdivide and grow. 3 weeks later, they're mixed with bone graft material and injected around the break. But by adding cells to just one side in a random trial, scientists can see and measure the success.
So random is this trial that even when he operates, the surgeon doesn't know which syringe contains the vital stem cells. But already it's proving very successful and cost-effective.
Only cells make bone. Bone isn't made in any other way. So it's very logical to add cells, and that's, I think, the reason why the treatment is so successful. It proves to be very cost-effective as you're returning someone to normal health in the long term.
4 months after her operation, Lorraine was walking properly. She's one of 23 patients who's once again leading a normal life.
Life has completely changed again, for the better, I'm pleased to say. So it's great having the privilege really to take part in this trial.
The trial will continue for another year, when it's hoped the stem cell treatment will become standard for people with fractures like Lorraine's. Sandy Barton in Oswestry for Central Tonight.